How to fix Facebook memories not showing up. If your Facebook memories are not showing up, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few solutions that may help bring your Facebook memories back. First, open Facebook and go to the Memories section. Tap the Settings icon and select Memories Settings. Solution 1. Make sure the Hide Memories Suggestions option is turned off. If it's enabled, disable it. Solution 2. In the same memory settings, tap What memories do you want to be notified about? Select All Memories. If it's already set to All Memories, switch it to None or Highlights, then change it back to All Memories. Solution 3. Finally, go to Dates in your memory settings. Check the start and end dates and make sure they aren't limiting your memories to recent dates. Set the dates to an earlier period, such as when you first started using Facebook, and save the changes. That's how you can fix Facebook memories not showing up. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.